Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily send files from Pixel 11 Pro XL to an iPhone with Quick Share. So I got the iPhone 12 here and the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply enable the AirDrop from the iPhone. So we're gonna go to the notification center and switch the AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes. Once we do that, we want to simply go over into Photos, for example, and we want to send the photo. So we're going to send this one. Now we're going to click Share and click on Quick Share. Here we want to click on Allow, and as you guys can see, here it is looking for Android and iOS devices. It found an iPhone. Let's click, and as you guys can see, Pixel 11 Pro XL would like to and it will be send a photo. As you guys can see, we're opening it, and we can also see that this was taken from the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. We got the Pixel 11 Pro back camera, also 12 megapixels, the resolution, and etc. Now if we want to send another picture, so for example, I want to just share let it be the Samsung card. Now here we're gonna simply click on Share, go to AirDrop, and now you should see the iPhone. So as you guys can see, here we should basically click on Receive, click Got It, and now we are ready to receive because we are temporarily visible to everyone. We got our device, we're gonna tap on it, and now we're gonna click on Accept. As you guys can see, we're gonna click Open, and we got it. So that's how it looks. We can also check the file info, but as you guys can see, it's not something that we took from an iPhone, but we sent it. So that's how you guys can send files back and forth with an iPhone if you have a Pixel. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.